naman. This one is 30 items. 30 ba? Oh yeah, 30 items. 75 points because I already put plus 5 points. Automatic plus 5 points. So, just to make sure na may kabutang man lang sa inyong test paper. So, as what my instruction last week, same your final exam, uh, same sa quiz ng instruction yata na ninyo about identification. I will not make any practical for now, kaya it will consume a much bigger time. So, during examination, I will not be your proctor, your instructor. It will be proctored by somebody else. Then, at the same time, you will be divided into two groups for examination. Depending on the proctor or what is his style of proctoring. Anyway, okay. Your examination is one. Kailangan. So, for identification, okay, now proceed. Okay, number 21. How many strokes are there in a typical four-stroke marine diesel engine? How many strokes? By the way, wrong spelling wrong. At the same time, if your word or your answer doesn't hit the or even the slightest related, really related, even the slightest in the answer shall be considered wrong. So, the question is, how many strokes are there in a typical four-stroke marine diesel engine? How many strokes in a four-stroke cycle marine diesel engine? How many strokes? Given na gani na last question ng answer.
Four, sir.
Basin pag-abot ana sa exam, nagbutang og upat. So the answer is?
Four stroke, sir.
4. Word nga 4 ha, dili number nga 4. How many strokes are there in a typical four-stroke marine diesel engine? So the answer is 4. Now, what kind of ignition is used in diesel engine? What kind of ignition is used in diesel engine? Mali. Kung compression lang. Dapat kumplito.
Compression ratio, sir.
Compression ignition. Okay. How is air typically supplied to the cylinder of a turbocharged marine diesel engine? The question is, how is air typically supplied to the cylinder of a turbocharged marine diesel engine? That's question number 24. How is air typically supplied to the cylinder of a turbocharged marine diesel engine? So what's the answer?
Scavenge, sir. No, may silinatas?
Ha?
Sir.
Scavenging air, sir.
Scavenging, sir.
The question is, how is air typically supplied? By what? By turbocharger compressor combination. How is air typically supplied in the cylinder of a turbocharged marine diesel engine? So the answer is by turbocharger compressor combination. Okay, next question. Which of the following typical arrangement of a marine diesel engine? Typical arrangement. What is a typical arrangement of a marine diesel engine? Itong makina sa workshop, kung sa mga klase,
Force stroke, sir.
sa barko, usually they use two types of arrangement sa makina. Type of engine. So I'm asking is, what is the typical arrangement, cylinder arrangement of a marine diesel engine? The answer is V-type and inline. Next, what is the function of cylinder head? What is the function, main function of a cylinder in the marine diesel engine? What is the main function of the cylinder in a marine diesel engine? Main function na sa cylinder. The answer is to house combustion process. Okay, next question. Which component converts the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion? Which component
Answer, imong connecting
converts reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion?
connecting rod, sir. Crankshaft.
Ha?
Connecting rod, sir.
Crankshaft, sir.
Crankshaft.
Crankshaft, sir.
What is the role? Next question. What is the role of the piston in a marine diesel engine? What
Combustion,
is
sir.
the role of the piston in the marine diesel engine?
Terminal. To
What is the role of the
compress, sir.
piston?
Reciprocating na movement, sir.
The answer is to transfer force from combustion to the crankshaft. Next,
To transfer, sir.
what is the function of the fuel injector in diesel engine? What is the function of fuel injector in diesel engine?
Supply fuel in the
Supply fuel,
sir.
sir.
Oh, that's not the answer. When you say supply, that is what we call supply pump.
Inject fuel.
Inject fuel, sir. Inject fuel in
What is the function of fuel injector in a diesel engine? So the answer is
fuel, sir.
deliver automized fuel into combustion chamber. The question is, what is the function of the fuel injector in a diesel engine? So the answer is to deliver automized fuel into the combustion chamber.
Saan ka pareho commute sa mic?
Next question. Number 29. Which component houses the intake valve and the exhaust valve of a four-stroke engine? Which component that houses the intake valve and the exhaust valve of a four-stroke engine?
Cylinder head.
Ha?
Cylinder head.
Which component? Sino to, si?
Cylinder head,
Sir?
sir.
Cylinder head.
Cylinder head.
Okay, cylinder head. Number 30. What does the turbocharger do in a marine diesel engine?
To supply
What
air, sir.
does the turbocharger do in a marine diesel engine?
To recover waste heat energy, sir.
The question is, what does the turbocharger do in a marine diesel engine? So what's your answer? What's the answer? What is the function? What does the turbocharger do in a marine diesel engine?
To support air mixture, sir.
The answer is, it increases the air pressure supplied to the cylinder for better combustion. It increases the air pressure supplied to the cylinder for better combustion. Did you study your PowerPoint given to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Did you study ba the PowerPoint given to you? Sa mo itong akong given lang nga maghatag sa PowerPoint?
Casio, sir. Ako, sir.
Oh, did you distribute those
Sir. Akong i-distribute, sir. Nas GC. Muna, sir. Muna.
Okay, so na-distribute na. Now, the question is, did you study those PowerPoints?
Hindi ba, sir? Hindi ba?
Sir.
Okay, the question is, did you study those PowerPoints ba?
Wala pa, sir. Honest, sir. Wala pa.
Wala pa. Ako ba? Ano saan? Kitunaan ninyo, wala pa.
Notes na, sir. Lalas notes.
Actually, sir. Basa-basa, sir.
Okay. It doesn't, not necessary that you will memorize those. I only want you to review and read those or familiarize. Your final exam is derived from the quiz given to you. Now, next question. What is the main purpose of an interlock in a marine diesel engine? What is the purpose of an interlock in a marine diesel engine? Or in a marine diesel engine system? I will repeat the question. What is the main purpose of an interlock in a marine diesel engine system? What is the purpose of an interlock? What is the purpose of an interlock in a marine diesel engine system? Its purpose is to prevent unsafe operation. Again, what is the purpose of the interlock in a marine diesel engine system?
To prevent
The
unsafe
answer is to
operation, sir.
prevent unsafe operation.
Unsafe, sir.
Operation. Okay. Next question. Which interlock prevents the engine from starting when turning gear is engaged? Again, the question is, which interlock prevents the engine from starting when turning gear is engaged?
Turning gear interlock, sir.
So, may answer na to?
Balili,
Balili,
sir.
sir.
Si Balili.
Okay, good. Correct. Turning gear interlock. Okay, next question. What does the starting air interlock prevent? What does the starting air interlock prevent? What does the starting air interlock prevent? The answer
Gear,
is
sir.
already given in the question. So what does it prevent?
air,
The answer is
Starting air, sir.
indicator cocks. To prevent start up with open indicator cocks. That is why it is fitted with interlock, starting air interlock. The answer is to start up with open indicator cocks, or to prevent start up with open indicator cocks. That is why fitted that one sa indicator valves na indicator cock sensor nga it indicates kung naka-open na siya or close. So the answer is to prevent start up with indicator cocks. With open indicator cocks. Next question. Which interlock is related to ensuring sufficient lubrication before starting the engine? Which interlock is related to ensuring sufficient lubrication before starting the engine?
Parameter na interlock, sir.
Again, which interlock is related to ensuring sufficient lubrication before starting the engine? The answer is lube oil pressure interlock. Next question. What is the role of a shutdown interlock in a marine diesel engine? Again, what is the role of a shutdown interlock in a marine diesel engine? Anyway, I want to give you an idea. What is an interlock? What is an interlock? What is an interlock? So an interlock is a safety device usually installed in a certain engine. It's a safety device. For example, to give you a better idea, what is an interlock? Namo yung motor. Kasi in max. Mangutan ako ninyo. Pag naka-side stand, i-start mo, mandar dili.
No, sir.
Dili. Because na siya interlock na yung side stand niya is naka-engage pa. Or pag muhunong ka, motor ni mo, pag side stand, di ba, mamatay mo motor because of its interlock. That's an example of an interlock. Now, back to the question. What is the role of a shutdown interlock in a marine diesel engine?
To
The
stop
answer
the
is to
marine diesel.
automatically stop of critical failures. Now, most of the parts sa imong makina, regardless if it's a generator or a main engine, each part is fitted with interlock, such as turning gear interlock, oil pressure interlock, starting gear interlock, reversing interlock, indicator valve interlock, starting air interlock. To ensure that each part during operation operates smoothly. Then during maintenance, it prevents unsafe or accidental operation or startup. Now, next question. Which interlock prevents fuel injection in the cylinder cover if the cover is removed? The answer is cylinder head safety interlock. Now, what is the next question? Number 37. What is the primary purpose of a safety device in a marine diesel engine? What is the primary purpose of a safety device in a marine diesel engine? The answer is to prevent damage and ensure safe operation. Okay, next question. What is the function of a crankcase relief valve? What is the function of a crankcase relief valve?
To
From
release
the word
pressure, sir.
itself, to relieve pressure and prevent crankcase explosion. That is why it is fitted. It is called a crankcase relief valve. To prevent, to relieve pressure and prevent crankcase explosion. Now, number 39. Which device shuts down the engine when lubricating oil pressure falls below a safe limit? Which safety device shuts down the engine when lubricating oil pressure falls below safe limit? The answer is low oil pressure trip. Remember, if your engine is running, regardless if it is a generator or your main engine, once mag-alarma ang lube oil, mubagsak ang pressure sa lube oil, or mo para ang bomba sa lube oil, it will automatically shut down the engine in order to prevent further damage. Kasi loss of lubrication yan to prevent friction, direct contact from two metals. Okay, number 40. What is the main function of a cylinder head relief valve? What is the main function of a cylinder head relief valve?
To relieve
Function
pressure.
is to discharge overpressure from the combustion chamber. Pag sinabing cylinder head relief valve, may other term na ginagamit yan. Usually, it is fitted with a copper plate na pag mag-overpressure ka na copper plate, it usually explodes. Pag nag-overpressure ang combustion chamber side. So what is the main function? Again, what is the main function of the cylinder head relief valve? So its function is to discharge overpressure from the combustion chamber. And for that, I will leave you until number 40. We will continue this one tomorrow. Since it's getting late, then wala pa mo dinner. So am I, same as me. So we will continue this one tomorrow and along with this USB.
Excuse me,
Just
sir.
pray na hindi pa ma-interrupt ang internet connection sa SMET and the power connection here in the SMET. Since the weather is unforgiving for now, because of the typhoon. Yes?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Sampo.
I wanted to ask sir ba, ang sa to ang number 39 na to sir kay concert ba? Medyo galibog. Na-interrupt kita ang concert internet.
Okay. Which device shuts down the engine when lubricating oil pressure falls below a safety pit? So that is a low oil pressure trip.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so for now, we'll have dinner muna. Then after, take your rest. Since still the weather is not not good. Tomorrow, we will review your SOSP. Then we will review again one last time this PPD. So,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
everybody is, I think, present, I presume. So, for those nga kuan, so, I think everybody's present naman, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as expected, okay. 34 naman yung ladder pero it's okay. The rest are, okay. The rest are absent or not able to attend for, I don't know what reason, but it's okay. I want you to review again your PowerPoint, then your quiz. Kasi yung question nyo sa quiz are the questions also, some of them, not all, are the questions in your identification examination for your midterm. So once we meet, I'd expect that every quiz is tapos na, masabit na. So can you do that one?
Ay, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want you
Yes, sir.
the quiz
Yes, sir.
submit na once we meet again. Yes. Yes. Sino yun? Okay. So any more clarification? So some of you are nasa bahay lang, di ba?
Ang abang, sir.
Ako ba
Nasa
sa'yo
boarding.
nasa balay?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Last
until
bit,
further
sir.
notice mo pa ta magkita. Kaya wala pa may balita kung kung saan matapos ng ilang ano to? Class suspension. Okay, so for that, for now, okay, you may take your dinner. Our session will end today for the meantime. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, wala. Yes. What is it? Wala ba sa PPT? What? It's okay. It's okay as long as the result is the same. Pwede lang. Sige, sige, sige.